Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I am so excited because today I have the new Fresh Prince and GLAMLITE collection in my stash. I bought the full collection without the PR box and that retails for $74. It is in stock right now on the GLAMLITE website, as are most of these items individually. So let's take a closer look at the California Fresh highlighter palette. So these are the 3 shades that you're getting along with the mirror. I'll include some swatches right now, but I am going to try and wear all 3 shades today. So I think these look really fun. We have a peach, a gold, and then more of a pink tone over here. And I love how it looks like a little license plate. Next up in the collection, I was a cosmetic tape. This cassette tape with some really cute eyelashes. GLAMLITE always does full dramatic lashes, so I don't know. I guess I will wear these today. I want to try everything from the collection. How cute is this next product? So I'm wearing the pink one right now, but these are little lip glosses. But as you can see, they don't really provide a lot of color. They're very sheer, so I would pair them with your favorite lip liner or your favorite lipstick, but like the microphone, everything too cute. This one is going to be a peach one. I'll change into it later, and then this is the pink one that I have on already. Feels very comfortable. GLAMLITE usually has a nice formula when it comes to their lip products. And then not last. One thing that we're going to use right after we do the highlighter is this new setting spray. This is the Fresh Prince setting spray, and I think, shake it up, this is an aerosol. Yay! I don't smell anything. So it looks like it's an unscented setting spray, so that will be great for most of you. And then let's take a peek inside the Fresh Prince eyeshadow palette. This is going to be a 15 pan color story full of beautiful matte and shimmer shadows. Looks like we're getting 5 shimmers and 10 mattes at the bottom. And I am going to try it all out for you guys today. They also included this little boarding pass right here. Too cute. GLAMLITE always kills it with the packaging of their collections. And this is a show I did watch growing up, so very familiar and fun to see all of the neon colors come to life. I'm even going to try and wear a neon top to work today, so I'll fit in perfectly with the look we're going to create. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steph. Clearly, I love trying out new makeup. I'm primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell next to it, and that way you will never miss one of my videos. And if you love GLAMLITE just as much as I do, maybe you're a fan of Fresh Prince, you watched it growing up, or maybe you're watching it now in reruns, give this video a big thumbs up before you go. And as usual, everything I am wearing will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links, we can see how this video is going to go today. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for supporting me in this channel. Let's get started, guys. We're going to go in first with the highlighter palette, and then with the setting spray, and then we're going to create a look with the eyeshadow palette and the lashes, and I'll change into the other lippy. If you guys want to see this GLAMLITE and Fresh Prince collection in action, keep on watching. All right, so I have blush on already, and I'm still obsessed with these NYX Buttermelt blushes. The shade that I'm wearing is my Butter Half, and it's just like a hot pink shade. So I thought it would tie in perfectly with this collection. Now we're gonna dive into the highlighter palette. So fun. I think I'm going to start, I actually think I'm going to do the shade on both cheeks, and then I'm going to do maybe a little bit of the peach right up here, and then I'm going to save the gold for the Cupid's bow, the tip of the nose, and then right there in between the nose. I think that that might work. Hopefully these shades aren't going to be too dark for me. I'm just going to clean off my brush, and I'm using my Shop Miss A F19. I'm just going to apply, oh yeah. GLAMLITE always does such a good job with their highlighters. They're so intense, just like their shimmer shadows and eyeshadows. I think that they are beautiful. And this one seems to be smooth. Like, I don't see any texture on the skin, but I am going to blend it a little bit better with the blush. I'm just going to get the other brush I used. Okay, now I'm going to flip the brush over, and I'm going to go to this one right here, which is the orangey one. I'm just going to add a little bit of that up here, kind of like take it up towards the bronzer. The bronzer I'm wearing today is from Bobbi Brown. Oh, I should have put my headband on. I'll put it on right now. All right, now I'm going to get the tip of the brush, and I'm going to dip in like this. And I'm just going to do, yeah, I already did bronzer on my nose. Just like that. Just a little, just a little. There we go. Okay, I like it. Let me get my blush so that way I can touch it up. Okay guys, so I think the complexion looks great. Let's lock it all in before we start with the eyeshadow palette. Let me give this another good shake. And very nice, very fine mister. No water droplets. It just feels really good. I wouldn't say it feels as fine as like the one size. To me, this feels a little more drying, but this is not too far off. So I was really excited to see this in the collection. All right, guys, now I'm gonna get my headband, neon, of course, and let's start working with the eyeshadow palette. Now I did prime my eyelids already with the Moira eyeshadow primer, this one right here, and it's in the shade 01 White. And I wanted to do white because obviously we're going to be working with some neon colors today. And if I'm going to be wearing neon green, let's just go with neon green and pink. I think those are going to be the colors of the day. So I'm going to be working kind of like with the shadows right here. I mean, you could even use some of this one, maybe even this one as a blush too. That'd be kind of cool. But I'm going to start first with this one right here called Lucky Charm. And then I'm going to go into the deeper green, perhaps even the black. And then I'm going to save some of these colors for the lower lash line. I'm thinking that's going to work. Yeah. Let's try it and let's see. So I'm using a Sigma E25 Max for this first shade. And I'm gonna focus it right in here. I would have liked to have seen a white, a matte white. Oh, and I already got some fallout there. Either that or I just wasn't careful with my brush. I'll have to clean that up later. I would have liked to have seen a matte white. I thought that would have been a nice compliment. That is a good green though. A really good green. All right, next I'm gonna go into, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna bring in some of the purple. I'm gonna go in with Pool House, same brush, but I'm gonna bring the purple in over here. I love green and purple together, and I love green and pink together. Now in a Game Beauty EO7, I'm gonna go in with a darker green called Love at First Sight. And just focus that out here. Shape the look. All right, I think that looks really, really cool. Really cool. Now for the lower lash line, before I go in with the shimmers, I'm gonna go in with the shade down here. This one is called Born and Raised. And I'm taking that on my Refer 26, taking it only halfway. Okay, cleaned off the brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade right here called Bel Air. That is so fun. And you could leave it as an all matte look. We are not, because we got to get into these shimmer shadows. And don't forget that you can use the highlighter shades as shimmer shadows as well. I'm going to use the matte black to kind of deepen up this lower lash line. Let me just get a smaller brush. I'm going to use the BK Beauty and Nikki LaRose collection brush. This is the N11. And I'm just going to add a little bit down here to the lower lash line. And I think my microphone is about to die. So if it does, then I'm just going to start pointing to the shades and you're going to see what I'm going to do. I had a feeling it was going to do that. I'm using a damp Luxie 245. Just mentioning it in case my microphone is still on. I don't know if it has officially died yet. And it's so pretty. Same brush, I'm just going to flip it over. All right, guys, I think that looks really cool, but I want to add this light pink shadow to this inner corner. Okay, guys, I'm going to go take care of the finishing touches off camera. I'm going to change microphones out, and then I will, hopefully you're hearing this, I'll be right back to show you the full completed look. Hey guys, so this is what the face of makeup is looking like, and this is how it's gonna stay. For the lips, I did use the second lip gloss, which was the blue microphone. It's more of a peach, but I did pair it with an Unearthly Cosmetics lip liner right here. This lip liner is in the shade Fiery, and these Unearthly Cosmetics lip liners are so good. I will say I did have a little bit of a time trying to put on the eyelashes, but I think everything looks really cute. I love the way this collection turned out. I like the setting spray. I like that it really doesn't have a scent to it. The lip glosses, the packaging on these is just too cute. Too cute. Not crazy about what's inside just because it doesn't have a lot of color. But again, if you pair it with a lip liner, you'll definitely get some more payoff that way. I thought that the highlighter trio was really good. And then, of course, the star of the show is the Fresh Prince palette. And I think these shades are very appropriate for the Fresh Prince of Bel Air. If you watch the show, then you know it came out in the 90s. All of these colors were definitely very relevant, and I'm wearing my lime green shirt to work today with some black pants. And I think I'm very themed. I'm very appropriate for this look. Great quality as usual with the GLAMLITE palettes and their entire collections. They think of everything. They don't forget a thing. And I am going to give this collection 2 thumbs up. I hope I get a chance to play with it on camera some more so I can give you guys some more inspo in case some of you picked this up. But let me know what you thought of today's look. What did you think of the entire collection? Are you going to be picking anything up? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.